welcome back to my channel, Math and Language, and we're going to talk about how to change fractions to decimals. So let's start. So we have the first example, 4 over 20. Now, to convert fractions to decimals, you simply divide it. If you don't have a calculator, you have to do the manual way. So for this one, we have 4 divided by 20, and we know that 4 is lower than 20, so we have to add a placeholder like a 0 here. So you put a decimal point and a 0, and you have put a decimal point here. Remember, must put a decimal point also here at the quotient part. And of course, just placeholder 0 here. So now we know that 40 divided by 20 is 2, right? So 2 times 20, that will be 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. We don't have a remainder, so we can say, so this is already the answer. So 4 over 20 is 0.2. That's already the final answer. Next one, what if we have 3/5? Hmm. How are we going to solve this one? So, but let's check this one. So 3 divided by 5, and but we know that 3 is lower than 5. We have to add point 0 placeholder. So just to make it bigger. Hmm. Right? So 30 divided by 5, that will be 6. So 6 times 5, that will be 30. So that will be 0. 30 minus 30 is 0, and that is already the final answer. 3 over 5 is 0.6. All right, let's move on to the next one. But let's check via using the calculator. So 3 over 5. So you have 0.6. Okay, let's move on to the next one, 9 over 10. So for 9 over 10, we have 9 divided by 10. So as usual, we need to put a placeholder here, 0. That will be 90. 90 divided by 10, that will be 9. 9 times 10, that will be 90. 90 minus 90 is 0, and we don't have a remainder, so this is already the answer, 0.9. So for 9 over 10 fraction, change it to decimal, that will be 0.9. Let's move on. What if we have a harder example? 18 over 25. So as usual, we have to divide it. 18 divided by 25, so that this 18 will be the dividend and 25 will be the divisor. Since 18 is lower than 25, we need to add a placeholder. So point here, decimal point here, 0 here, another 0. So 180 divided by 25. How many 25 are there in 180? Let's say 25. So in 100, we have 4, 156. So another 25. So 7. So 7 times 25, that will be 175. You subtract it. So 180 minus 175, that will be 5. And since we have a remainder, let's try to put another 0. So bring down 50 divided by 25, that will be 2. So 2 times 25, that will be 50. And 50 minus 50 is 0. And there you have it. So the final answer is 0.72. Now, what if we have a mixed number? So you have 1 and 3/4. So for this one, you just have to get the fraction first. Ignore the whole number. We will divide, we will do this. 3 divided by 4. So we know that 3 is lower than 4. Add another placeholder, decimal point here. 30 divided by 4, that will be 7. There are 7 4s in 30. So 7 times 4, that will be 28. And 30 minus 28, that will be 2, right? And let's just add another 0 here. Mm. So 20 divided by 4, that will be 5. 5 times 4, that's 20. So 20 minus 20 is 0. So there you have it. For 3 over 4, we know this one is 0.75. But that's not the final answer. We still have the whole number here. we will add it, this whole number, we will add it to 0.75. So 1 plus 0.75, it will be 1.75. And that's the final answer. 1 and 3/4 is 1.75. That's the end of the lesson on how to convert fractions to decimals. If you have any questions or you need of clarifications, please feel free to ask. And I would also appreciate if you could also like and subscribe. And I'm also near to 10K subscribers. Would really appreciate. Please like and subscribe and share. Again, my name is James, your math and language instructor. Thank you, and I'll see you again. Bye.